Say hi, YouTube.
I do. I do.
What?
Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up.
Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana.
What's up, YouTube? Hey, Brits, welcome back to my channel. So, from the title and what you can see, we are back with another mukbang.
Hey! Hi. Ooh, hi.
You said that last time. Do you remember?
Hi.
Okay. So, they like really ready to eat.
Mommy.
But we're back with another mukbang, and this is my sister.
Mommy. Mommy.
And that's my niece.
Mommy.
And this is my daughter.
Mommy. Mommy.
Y'all want to say your names?
I'm Bria. You know, go get my book on
Yes.
Amazon
Her book is available now on Amazon.
and on my website, the new diary. .wordpress.com.
Copy the name. Snoots,
Bye.
you want to tell me your name? Yeah.
I do.
Hi, YouTube. That's Noble. She got like a rich.
Yeah.
Play with her.
I'm
AKA
sorry, y'all.
Snoots.
I didn't say the title of my book. It's called Love Is. It's a poetry book on Amazon on my website.
Copy now.
Links below. So this seafood, let's get into it because I'm ready.
Yes,
I
we
don't know if y'all
got. This
can
is like
really get the gist of it, but
basically like you know what I had last time. This is basically what I had like the last time. I got a lobster tail, I got some snow crab legs, I got some mussels, corn, potatoes, shrimps for my
Mommy.
snoots. That's Snoot show.
And Mom.
okay. You want some? Okay.
What
All right.
you don't even know what to
Right,
do with
you
that.
don't know what to do.
I'm
Let's
missing
just start
something.
with the
Potatoes. I got some eggs hiding under here. Yep. So we just gonna dig in. You know what y'all want to talk about. Also, the biggest thing of today. Today is my mother's birthday. She gonna come out. But it's her birthday. She like 24. That's sis. So yeah, we gonna let's get it cracking. What you
Let's do
want?
this.
This
Which one?
somebody.
Of what?
You want some of what BB has?
Shrimp. Okay.
I think.
Okay. Oh, you don't want the trash right there.
Oh, okay. How much do y'all like shrimp? Because I feel like people always saying shrimp is nasty, but it's like the best seafood to me.
I fairly like shrimp. I
And
like
if you-
crab better.
I know, but people be saying crabs is bottom dwellers. They be saying
Dwell all you want.
right.
That may be here.
I'm eating myself, y'all, cause I'm a crab. I'm a Cancer.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all like
Like,
horoscopes?
comment if you're a Cancer. Like, comment if you're a Leo.
Oh, this is my
Taurus
first time
season.
doing this. People be getting greasy. Do I need to put my braids back?
Yes. That's why I ain't got no makeup on.
What?
I knew I was doing it.
You can't wear makeup to do this?
I mean, you can. But coincidentally, I never have on makeup.
Oh yeah.
So
that's
the
good.
lemons is like, if you like,
Oh, you.
dip
I know
it
they
and
be
squeeze
like,
if you want it. Only
Girl.
if you want it.
Oh, that's some
That's
good
what this-
butter. What butter is this?
This is we love Smackalicious sauce. You love
Smackalicious.
some shrimp. I actually
Can I
got
peel
these
it?
shrimp for tea.
Woo! It is spicy.
Mm-hmm.
If y'all like a little kickback, then this for y'all. But 'cause it's
Just be
kicking back.
lovely. Smackalicious sauce.
It's called Smackalicious.
Yeah. She about to start selling it. Dry though. Ingredients.
Dry?
Which is really good because what if you don't want like unsalted butter?
It's you.
She about to start. Well, she sell it where she live.
Mommy.
She make the whole thing good.
No. She sell it dry.
Y'all mussels, my fave.
No.
What's your
Always
favorite?
been.
What's your favorite out of this?
Love them. You didn't know me? You must not know them. Mussels, corn.
Man, you the only one that be missing out.
Really, I like anything from the sea.
What you want, a mussel?
Yes.
Oh, you want? You keep on saying a sip. I don't know what you want. Then, sweetheart. Now you want it?
Ma'am, where you going?
You done?
I'm
Put the
getting you
video.
shrimp right here. Right here. This is yours.
She said, I want the shrimp. Please, you take it too long.
Yep. Oh, let's this one. All right. So,
It's definitely my
Brittany,
blood, I was
can you tell me what's the best way to eat a snow crab leg? Because I haven't had one of these now.
Oh, and what form do you mean?
Or is it just like
So
eating a
clean
regular
it.
crab leg?
Yeah, yep. Sure is. It's just like more meat in these. I am gonna have a blue crab mukbang. I told y'all that on my little breakfast vlog. I am. Soon enough. What? Some what?
Want a mussel?
Oh, I know what you want.
Want some corn?
Travi.
Want
Corn.
some corn?
I just tried to give you some corn. You lying.
Y'all,
I know
don't
what you
like
want.
corn. I'm probably like the only person in the world who doesn't
You don't really eat
like
sweet
joy.
foods. You know how corn can be? Corn is like sweet corn. She don't like sweet potatoes, but she like sweet potato pie. She just like to eat it separately.
I don't like sweet stuff with my savory food. Like, I feel like sweets is for dessert, for real.
I told you Grandma don't eat it like that either. She said she eats sweet potatoes off her dessert.
Yes. Mm-hmm. Nobody wouldn't do that.
You need
Well, I'm eating turkey with sweet
Snoop, you don't like
potatoes.
corn? I said you don't like corn?
You like corn? You
I
want
know.
some?
I know you do. I said that's what you wanted.
What you want?
No, this is a potato.
You're welcome.
Here, enjoy that. Because I'm going to go on one of these eggs. See, you want an egg? You like eggs?
Mmm.
Put extra in there.
Oh, wow. Y'all see that?
Yes.
That's what you want right there.
Mm.
Oh. Even
Trying to
easier.
escape.
Right, y'all see that? Whoa.
Trying to escape.
Whoa. Because for real, when was the last time I had snow crab legs? Probably with you.
I love seafood. If I had to choose, like, food to eat for the rest of my life,
Me
definitely.
too. Mm-hmm.
I'd be so healthy and all that. Let me go in this.
So why won't we do it? Just go
It's a pescatarian, yep.
Mhm.
I tried it, and then Rashad made chicken. It's baked chicken, too. That's like his famous
I
baked
can't
chicken.
skip out on the famous baked chicken now.
With the hot sauce. Oh, my gosh.
Okay. I'm coming. I'm sorry, I'm not moving fast enough for you.
She said, please. Because she really likes shrimp. I got these shrimp for snacks. No, please, mommy, please.
Egg.
Y'all, I'm getting so good at these lobster tails. I don't even need no scissors. I popped that baby
Can I
right down the
taste a piece of that?
You sure can.
That's
Pop
what
that
you
baby
want.
right down the
Can y'all believe that I love
lobster?
seafood, but I never had lobster? I
I
feel
think-
like I had stuff with lobster in it, but
I
not
think
like
when
a
you was
straight
younger.
up lobster tail.
We tasted
No,
it with our
baby
baby.
girl. No rubber.
Not rubber.
Remember she had us eating conch? Haven't had it since. When we was in the Bahamas.
We've been lit.
Conch?
Conch.
Conch?
The magic conch shell.
Mm-hmm.
Or is it the magic conch shell? I feel like it can be either or. Just like salmon can be salmon or salmon. Potato, tomato.
No, that's had the whatchamacallit say is salmon.
I don't get what he
Oh
said.
yeah, I googled it too. They said salmon. So now I'm.
What salmon? The L?
Yeah. Why even put it in there?
Like
Right.
Words don't make sense sometimes.
I'm moving silence like lasagna. That's what Lil Wayne said, y'all. If you ain't hip.
Ma'am, so you think you just gonna eat a whole? Oh. Okay. Hold up, y'all. Let me put that down for a second. Tell y'all how I like it. What you want? You want some crab?
Yes.
Okay. Give me.
Aunt to put her on.
Right. Give me 1 second, okay? Can I eat this shrimp? I can't eat it.
I'm just trying to show you a plate. Yeah. Of some egg? But why is it in your head?
Mm-mm.
Oh.
No pie.
So that stuff at the bottom, that garlic, that onion. If you ain't scared.
No, I ain't scared.
Mommy, I'm EP.
Okay. I'm about to get it right now.
Okay.
I make this just the same as last time.
Yeah.
What y'all talking about? It was a little salty. I don't
What are
think it
you
was
doing,
salty.
Noble?
Cookie.
Does it taste the same as last time?
Cookie. Gotcha cookie. Please, mommy, please.
Can I get it open?
So I saw y'all was really into my mukbang. Last time I did one, so I eat seafood every week. I just don't record it, so I should start recording it for y'all.
They love it.
They actually.
Ooh,
Mommy, please.
honey, them good veneers. That's what you need to have, some seafood, because
She ain't really got no veneers, y'all. They are real sparkling whites.
if you got
But-
veneers, hold on to them. Because, honey, this is a wild ride.
You like that potato?
Was it good,
Try that
Jaquel?
potato? Oh,
Oh,
dropped it.
please, mommy,
Now it's
please.
soaked.
It's soup.
Yes, that's the best way to have it.
Boots. So when am I going to be able to eat some? Here.
You leaving?
What?
You want feeling that egg too much?
What?
Oh, just the yolk.
Yeah.
That's funny because Chase ate that part.
Yolk, the best part. I be making all the everything.
Mommy,
Mhm.
Oh, my lobster tail. Okay. All right, y'all.
Oh, you was trying to throw it in the trash.
It's time.
I
That's how they
can't.
been.
Mm-hmm.
Get all
Get
the
that all
seasonings
lathered.
on there.
Mommy, no.
Mm-hmm. If I can find that noise, I'm definitely put it on that one. How is it? Is it what you say lobster was, mine? Chewy. It is chewy.
It's like
Lobster.
shrimp.
Mommy,
Yeah,
please.
I think they got the same texture.
Mommy, please.
It's like
What?
however many the ounces is of the lobster. That's how many minutes you cook it for.
Try
If it's 3 ounces, cook it for 3 minutes. If it's 6 ounces, cook it for 6 minutes, so on and so forth. This one was 3.75, between 3.75 and 4 point something. So that was a little tricky for me.
Hey.
So I didn't know what to cook it for. I cooked it literally in between 3 to 4 minutes.
Mama.
Woo! Can you? I know you're okay, but can you sit down, please?
Oh my gosh. I forgot all about my lemon. I forget about my lemon.
You okay?
Mine, what you doing? Beating your face?
I got peas. Peas.
Calm to him.
Peas.
Hold on, Boots. I'm gonna get you some.
Oh, look at that onion.
Oh, see? Look.
Bye.
Fine. Look, I got you a nice piece.
What's happening here? Why you doing that?
So, I need to see what a snow crab leg look like. I mean, a snow crab look like whole. Cause
Like underneath the sea? Oh, these are so good today. I love when they just slide out.
Ooh, hot.
yeah, I need to see.
Mommy,
Stop
I'm
it.
without peas.
Why would you do that? What you want to see? Oh.
What you talking about? You ain't even say nothing.
Yes.
Ooh. Ooh.
Ooh, crab.
What's that crab?
So y'all think we be full off of seafood?
This
Or y'all
thing.
think the work that we put in to actually get the seafood out is what makes us
I
full?
tell you, right. Never thought about it that way.
Bye.
Sitting here, I be tired.
Crab.
Like,
Look at this whole bowl. That's why
yeah,
we just getting started. I'm like, whew,
this would be happening.
whew.
What is it? Do you have a potato? You don't like potato?
Ma'am.
Wait.
What do you think you're gonna do with it?
You funny.
Mommy,
It's spicy.
Chocolate. Chocolate.
Hmm?
Chocolate, mommy. Chocolate. Mommy, chocolate.
This is a crab. What are
Is
you
that close
saying?
enough?
Chocolate. Chocolate.
What you saying?
Chocolate, mommy. Chocolate. The chocolate. Chocolate.
Okay.
I really, be wanting, like, it be in my duty to figure out.
Alright, what they were saying?
Crab.
Oh, you want to bite the crab? Now? What I tell you about that now? Don't keep saying now to me.
At this
Mommy,
moment.
I make crabbies. I make crab.
Okay, can I get
I
it?
want crab, please. I want crab.
Here.
Well, look.
Male and babies.
I don't even think there was no on there. She said cat. Cat said. Right to you.
Did you watch
Stay
that
down.
Jersey Shore reunion? Can you sit down?
Coco.
I was actually watching like the new series.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know what happened
Mommy.
because I didn't see like the last episodes.
Peace.
What?
Peace.
What you want?
I'm a cat.
Kids always want what you got work the hardest for.
Cat.
Not the mussel, not the shrimp you can easily peel. No, the crab.
Chase one.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, what did you just eat? You wanna know what Chase want? Me to fill a house up with bubble wrap and we jump. I'm doing it.
Cat.
And just jump around?
This is the hardest. This is what I'm working for.
Cat.
I'm gonna fill the whole house with bubble wrap.
Or bubble wrap?
Bunny.
He wanna do all kinds of crazy stuff. And I'm gonna do it.
Mommy.
Did you tell him we used to be sliding on the mattresses?
Mommy.
No, oh my gosh, remember that?
So y'all, we used to take out twin beds. Wait, Noble. And like line them up on our steps in the house.
Man, how many steps was that? Probably like
Just like a
12.
normal staircase.
And 2 mattresses like fit on the whole step. And then we used to take like a pillow,
Just slide down.
going down the steps.
Noble.
We used to do a whole bunch of crazy stuff. Actually, we just was talking about that. Climbing in vents.
Not
a
just
mouse.
any vent. The furnace.
Yeah.
Could have been scorched to smithereens.
Definitely.
Was
Oh
it
my gosh.
summertime?
The air was on. I remember the cold air and the rocks blowing out.
Hey.
It was
I'm
tragic.
gonna make a piece.
But we were so young, we didn't know.
That's mommy. That's
What?
mommy.
One of these?
Wow. You know,
Mom.
I just went to Moe's, and I got like it's called a steam pot. And it come with like whole ears of corn, snow crab legs, potatoes, and shrimp.
What's wrong?
And it was me and my boyfriend. And, well, you know what? Y'all know his name? Do y'all know his name? I feel like I talk about him in every video. Rashad. Okay. So,
Coco,
you know,
where's
Rashad
your
went, and I feel like we was like 4 and we wasn't even done it yet. So, when I get this stuff, it don't seem like a lot until I actually put it in the bowl. It was literally only like 3 pieces of corn.
Mommy.
No. Can I
I did a
get
couple potatoes because I really like the potatoes.
Here,
I
Noble.
did like 5 eggs. I did 5
Noble.
potatoes, 5 eggs. Little small shrimp and I don't even know how many pounds of snow crab this was. But a short egg.
Right.
I don't know if it's the seasoning.
I'm like,
in
woo!
it. Yes.
Look, y'all see my chin?
If I held my waist straight, that would have been flew across and smacked the camera. The egg, oh my gosh.
The kitty.
So fulfilling. I actually be watching like people Mukbangs. And they be by themselves and they can't even finish it. Don't touch it. Be lovely, can't even finish it. Finish that. We coming in there with leftovers.
Yeah.
I might have to do it.
Mommy.
I don't know. I probably take the leftovers so short.
Mommy.
What's
Right,
the,
how you rewarm this? Right
Mommy.
here.
I want
How do I?
I'll go away.
It's really
Mommy,
like
I'll
the,
go away.
the butter definitely got to be hot.
I'll go
If the butter hot,
Mommy, I'll go away.
everything else basically hot. But
Mommy,
here, like
I'll
re-steam
go away.
it. Excuse, it's not
Light.
safe. First of all, your sweater is white, even though it seems like you got some other different colors in there. But and then you on here stealing crabs that you can't even bite through like that. You lying?
Calf.
Yeah,
Calf.
you ate that potato. But in my vlog, they was talking about Game of Thrones that I still haven't watched yet. So Game of Thrones fans like this video because my sister watched Game of Thrones. And
So, who y'all think dying this episode? Because I think everybody is.
oh, it's
It's
that
like,
serious.
everybody keeps saying that. I don't think everybody gonna die. I think we gonna lose some people that we not expecting to lose.
Tell me more.
Or some people might come back that we not expecting to come back.
Ooh, The Walking Dead?
White Walkers.
Huh?
They walkers.
White
Like the
Walkers?
Walking Dead, but they White Walkers. They come when the winter time start.
Sure, we got White Walkers amongst us every day, sure. Okay. Take care. But, White Walkers, huh?
White
So
Walkers.
it's not like in medieval times?
I mean,
Not medieval times,
not
but like
medieval times. It is,
3,000,
but
300. You know what I mean.
Push.
it is, but but it's worth it.
Push.
Like seeing you'll get used to like them talking.
Shrimp?
All. Oh, you want the shrimp? This one? But look at it. I just peeled it. It's nice and.
Is you lying?
All right, hold
You
up.
be lying. What is a push?
Push.
Shrimp. See,
Who
she
are
be
you?
lying.
Right.
Shop.
No, not Snoots, because she definitely got that
she
muscle
threw my
out.
whole shrimp down.
Oh my gosh, I keep on forgetting.
No.
Jordan.
No, that lemon's coming through in this bowl. You don't even need to
Oh,
pour
because
no extra lemon.
I infused the boil. Like, with the eggs and potatoes was boiling, I infused that with lemon also. I can't even taste the lemon. Wow, your senses is like spicy.
Oh yeah, no, it's the perfect like amount. Too much more, you're gonna be like, all
I
right.
can't believe you like muscles like this. I was about to give you that.
Love it.
Oh, you shaking it? Oh, that one you can't get open. I don't know what happened
Here,
to my
switch.
bush, y'all. Like I was yelling or something.
Wait.
Oh,
Push.
Yep, switch. How do you get a muscle open no more? Oh, I'ma get it.
Oh! The veneers.
Good veneers.
Ooh, child.
Woo, y'all hear that?
Oh my gosh, my chin.
If you do not got good teeth,
This ain't for you. The sport is
seafood
not for you. Sure.
Like, especially
Definitely
not no crabs. And don't think like, all right, my teeth is all right, but I can make it.
Can't have our teeth.
Teeth.
Oh, Snoops, you know what you did. Just ask me for this.
Good veneers.
No, no, please.
You just gonna keep on biting.
Apple piece.
I'm trying. You just gave me this to open. No,
Look.
that doesn't get that.
Yeah.
Look, you dipping your sweater, ain't you? What's that?
Just
Try.
This piece of nut.
what?
You don't be
And then put her hand on
Right.
her head.
Snoots.
What? Ooh.
You don't want
So
to
I will say, I be seeing snow crab legs, right?
Mhm.
On the market. Every time everybody, I be getting them.
That's
So I just end up getting shrimp.
Thanks, Snoots.
But now I'm gonna start. I'm gonna start getting them.
Snow crab?
Mhm.
I'm loving these more than regular crab.
Mommy.
No, that's really trash. Okay. I'll put
So
that
much easier for people who don't like eating like
in. Picking
Maryland
through.
crabs. Yeah,
Blue
like
crabs, yeah.
blue crabs. This is much easier.
What's wrong with blue crab?
Meticulous.
Crash.
Tedious.
Mm-hmm.
They bottom dwellers.
What the?
They all bottom dwellers.
I do not dwell on no bottoms.
all these sea creatures visit the bottom sometime, I'm sure.
They don't. The crabs actually walk.
Is that a different shirt? Something different.
My pants. My ankles was out too much.
That shirt was red.
This shirt was green.
She a magician.
What? Wasn't that shirt red?
No,
That shirt was definitely red.
green and Brittany.
And look at her,
that's
still
green.
trying to clean.
Oh, I can't take this.
Wow, and I really was scrubbing and
That's a
everything
lemon.
this table, but I
Oh,
knew
you did good, but you
Don't
I
dip
knew
that.
it wasn't. Yeah, no, I know.
Who put this potato in here? I'm gonna eat it.
I knew it wasn't to your
No, I
satisfaction.
said you just did it with the
Yes.
right?
Look,
No, I did it
Look,
with some
she did
paper
it.
towels.
For real,
bit the lemon.
girl.
Bit the lemon.
This is my mother, y'all. I'm sure y'all saw her on my last, well, you was
Okay, y'all
on,
got my stuff.
you was on my last, what's the name, so.
Mommy, let's sip.
Hmm?
Let's sip.
You want to sip?
Woo!
Spicy? Oh, your back?
No, my stomach. I'm getting full.
Yeah, this will be my joke.
Mommy,
No, my back this time.
Mommy.
No, it'd be my back all the time, but. Mine. Oh, you know what to do. Go ahead, shorty. I got 5 on it. I feel like I really hit that for like not being able to sing.
Don't drink no more. You felt like you hit that.
I actually feel normal. I don't know why my throat is all scratchy. Didn't I tell you don't touch this egg? Stealing eggs. Steal an egg, I'm gonna beat your egg. Eggs.
Alright, so that's it for me.
Mm-hmm.
Right here.
Bro, you really got full?
Mine.
Y'all know I've been on a strict diet. So it hasn't been that strict.
Mm-mm.
I've been a little lenient, but
I mean,
I'm
even
just getting started.
diet, no diet. Hungry, not hungry. Yeah, them onions be good, Snoops. Taste that. Taste it. Yeah,
She
okay.
always trying to drink some broth.
Pretty good. You supposed to, you know. They the plain onions. The onions in here, very salty. I mean, not salty, but, you know, seasoned. All right, man. That's it.
That's it. Get your hands out.
I'm fuller than a...
What's
than
even full? I'm stuffed like a turkey on Thanksgiving. Oh my gosh.
She definitely be
This
watching my
girl is
videos.
dripping.
all the
Oh
time.
no. That can't be
You
good.
said, they been going there? You supposed to. They're everything.
Oh, well, I don't like corn, so that's why it ain't gonna be good.
The egg and everything. Why you leave that in there? Snoosh just dipping in here drinking, that's muscle
She
juice,
really
actually,
like-
because
Any kind of broth. She really loves soup.
biting lemons.
Cereal. Drink the milk first before she even touches the cereal.
Oh, dang. Just lost it. Try another one.
Mommy, breathe.
Okay. Whatever. I can't believe this.
Don't put it back in there. Mm-mm. You gotta
Actually-
have it.
After the, I'm finished with it, I will eat that lemon off like a, orange. You be needing that, little
She
sour
really into
little
seafood,
bit.
though. I thought I was, but
Mommy,
the corn, the potatoes.
Mommy.
She sucking these lemons once it's done.
What's you talking about?
What is she ever
She
talking about?
got everything in that bowl in her mouth. Your cheeks real fast.
It's an egg.
Girl,
Sneeze, I was trying to open this for you.
ain't no mm-mm.
You need the bananas.
Right. Get your good veneers on.
Headache a little bit?
Right, from using them good veneers.
Oh my gosh. Something's gotta give. Okay, y'all. So let me know like what y'all want to see in the next videos. Y'all know. Comment if you liked it. Like it if you like it.
It's hot.
If you didn't like it, still like it.
Let me know if y'all want to see me back. See?
Yeah. I'm gonna put up a poll
Here, Noble.
up in the card. So right here, right there, or it's gonna be right there, wherever. Click that and let us know.
It's been a pleasure. See ya.
Thanks for watching my second mukbang number 2 featuring my sissy and my niece. You don't really
Noble,
want that potato,
Noble.
do you?
Come on.
And my little daughter. And my mother never got in the camera even though it's her birthday. She didn't even want to be seen. She was coming.
I don't eat this shit. Bye, dwellers.
She's 24 today, y'all. That's sis. That's
Mommy.
big sis. I mean, I can't be big sis if I'm 20. Are you? She turned 20 now
I
today.
turned 30.
All right.
I'm
Let's go with
30
that.
every day.
Big sis.
She turned 30 today, y'all. So, wish her a happy birthday. Down in the comments. All right.
Say bye, YouTube.
Bye, YouTube.
Say see you, Corey.
See y'all bitches another time.
Say bye. No, to the camera.
Somebody in there like,
Come on. Say bye to the camera. Right here. Say bye to the camera. No, say bye.
Bye.
See you later. So long. Farewell to you, my friends. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again. Y'all remember Out of the Box? I can't do that, but.
Am I the only person that don't know whatever?
I said so long. Farewell. Until we
I saw you on the recording. I'm like, yo, what's up?
so long.
Listen to that.
Farewell to you, my friends. Oh, we gotta say bye. Okay. Bye.
You gon' do like that? Why you gon' keep that thing from me? Why you gon' do like that? Why you gon' act like you don't know? No, baby, don't do like that. Girl, come feed me, don't be stingy. Why you gon' do like that? No, baby, don't do like that. Oh, I want